Hey everybody, it's the Basic Dad here. I've been on a hunt, I've been on a search. I finally found the blue unicorn, the 17-inch electric tabletop griddle from Blackstone. I'm going to unbox it here. I just went and picked it up at the local Walmart. I saw from one of my Facebook pages like Blackstone Griddle, somebody had posted a link. I clicked on the link. There was one left, so I finally got it. With it being so hard here lately, particularly here in Texas, to find propane, having this 17-inch where I can griddle inside will be a lifesaver. We're gonna crack this thing open, see what we got. So what I found is I had opened it upside down, so I flipped it over. So we got the instructions. We'll come back to those later. Come back and deal with this later. And then we're going to have this box magically disappear off to the side. Okay, take these styrofoam things off. So we've got obviously the grill top there. This is the case. We'll come back to that in a second. I'm going to get all this plastic off and then I'll come back to you. All right, so we've got this thing mostly out of the wrapper. We've got the power cord here. For those that may have a 28 or 36 with a back grease drain, this will be for that as well. And so I'm going to tilt this up here so you can see the heating elements as we put this thing on top here. So this is the cooktop. A little different than the ones that we do outside. I have a 36-inch outside. This is not one that you have to season. It's also one that you can't use like aluminum or metal spatulas. Never use anything metal on this because it'll scrape it. So highly recommend that you either use wood or plastic for that. So we're going to put this thing on here. I don't know if you can get a view, but there's some little like groove brackets right there. And all we're going to do is slide this right in there. All right, and it fits in there just like that. And then we've got the lid for it. It's a glass lid you can use if you needed to steam or cook. It's got two little pieces on the back. Let's turn it around here so you can see these things right here. I'm just going to come in and put it in just like that. Open, close. We'll come back in just a second and I'll turn it on for you and I'll show you everything. Hey, one little quick note. This little thing slides around on here that I wanted to show you for the grease trap. It's got these little prone things here and it just sits on there just like that. So then when it's ready to empty, you can pick that up, take it out, or just put it back on just like that. It's in there nice and snug and you can still open the top there without any problems. All right, we're back. We're going to open it up here. The power button knobs right here, you just come in and press it once. It comes on, you can see that there. And as I'm turning to my right, I'm adjusting the temperature up. As I turn to my left, I'm adjusting the temperature down. So, you know, depending on what you're cooking, you can set different temperatures, low temperatures, high temperatures, as you know we like to do it in Blackstone world with griddles. And then once you get your temperature set, you press it, and it sets the temperature and it's locked and loaded for it to start warming up there. So stay tuned. I've just unboxed this thing. I got a couple of things in mind that I want to be able to start cooking on it. You know, a little different. We'll still use the outside griddle, but we're going to use this indoors. We can make chicken really fast. We can make French toast, pancakes. Stick around for a lot of the fun recipes that we're going to make on The Basic Dad. Hey, remember, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the bell notification. Give me some feedback on things you want to see me cook on this. There's a lot of things you would never know you could cook on a griddle. So stick around. Thanks for watching.